Hello everyone, Chris Lashava with Remax Heritage Professionals, and wanted to do a short video on 4 money savers a seller's house should offer for optimal appeal. And so this video is really for both buyers and sellers. These are likely the things, if you're a buyer, that you're looking for in your new home. But for sellers, this is good advice for things to do to make sure you're offering to get your house sold more quickly and for the most amount of money. So let's get into those 4 things. The first one is most buyers are looking for move-in readiness. Now, the exception here would be your investors who are looking to fix and flip. For them, sometimes the worse the home is, the better. But for most people who are looking for their primary residence, they want a move-in ready home. They want to do as little work as possible. And part of that is because of the prices they're paying. That combined with the higher mortgage rates, they don't want to have extra expenses to get the home ready to move in. The second thing that most buyers are looking for is flexible space. During the pandemic, there was a brief period where people were not as into the open floor plan, but I think people have switched back to wanting the open floor plan again. They want space to entertain, they want flexibility, they want storage, they want the ability to use a dining room as a home office if they need to. They just want a lot of flexibility in the space and the square footage of the home. And sometimes the way homes are laid out don't lend themselves to that flexibility. So think about how your home is laid out and think about if there are some changes you can make that increase the flexible space in their home. The third thing, and this really ties into the economy and costs, and that is people want energy efficiency. So, things like Energy Star appliances, things like newer double pane windows, programmable thermostats or zoning systems, energy efficient HVAC systems, obviously newer HVAC systems that won't need replacing as soon as they get in the home. So the more energy efficient, the better. And so those are some things to keep in mind. And then the fourth thing that people are looking for is upgraded plumbing features. So modern faucets and things like that, shower heads, kitchens and bathrooms are going to be inspected very closely by home buyers and their inspectors. So higher end sinks, higher end bathtubs, showers, things like that are important, as well as if your home has those old polybutylene pipes, getting those replaced is something else that a lot of home buyers are looking for. So those are 4 relatively quick things that if you're looking to sell your home, you should be keeping in mind when both getting your home ready but also pricing your home. If you can check all 4 of those boxes, you're going to have probably an easier sell if you've got the right agent helping market that home for you. I hope this information is helpful. As always, if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell in Central Florida, I would love to help you. If there are topics you'd like me to cover here on YouTube, please let me know. I'd love to cover it for you. Otherwise, I'd love to see you on here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love to have you. Have a great day, everybody.